How to fix Nike Run Club app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Nike Run Club app not working. The first step is to make sure that your application is fully updated. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Here, you want to search for Nike Run Club. Now, if you find the update button, simply tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the application. If it says open instead of update, it means your application is fully updated. In that case, you want to head over to your settings, scroll down and tap on the apps option. From here, you want to search for the Nike Run Club app. Once you open this application, tap on the storage option. Now here you want to tap on the clear cache option. After that, tap on the clear data option and then tap on delete. Once all the data of this application has been deleted, you want to open the Nike Run Club application and check if your issue has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you can do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Then you can tap on the install option and have this application installed on your device. With these steps, you will be able to fix your issue, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.